How to install Fall Guys game on Android. Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can download Fall Guys game on Android. That is basically a computerized game, so you can download it from Android now. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll get a more informative videos every day. So to download this, to install this application, to install this Fall Guys game, what you need to do, you have to simply go to Play Store and then you need to search for Fall Dudes 3D. So this is something different name, but this game is same exactly like Fall Guys. You can see here this is the game. So let me just install this and let me just show you how we can play on Android, how you can play the Fall Guys game on Android. So it is on a downloading process. So now you can just like my video and also you can subscribe it right now. So guys, it's done. So let me just click on open option here. So you can just give your ID and click on save and play. Searching for opening, you can see here. Three, two, one, go. So as you can see here, it's same like PC games. So it is something amazing. You can just install for your Android also. I hope this video will absolutely help you out. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please hit that subscribe button and see you soon on the next video.